Is this the ultimate find of the year? If you've been looking for the absolute best stuff online, this You Love Cool Items stick is mind-blowingly effective. Everyone is talking about it lately, because it is super lightweight and durable. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it delivers outstanding results instantly, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not low-key want to miss out on this deal before the price goes back up.